How to change voice on Snapchat using voice filters. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice on Snapchat using voice filters. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now, go to the camera screen. Press and hold the capture button to record a video snap. Make sure you speak clearly while recording because the voice filter will apply to your audio. Once you finish recording, release the button. Now, tap on the speaker icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see different voice filters like deep voice, high-pitched voice, robot voice. Tap on each option to preview how your voice sounds. Choose the one you like. After selecting your voice filter, you can also add text, stickers, effects. Once you're done, tap on Send To. Select your friends or story and send your snap. And that's it. You've successfully changed your voice using Snapchat voice filters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rocket emoji.